Mama wakwaba midin N.Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell no so for more news. Woman be ewo London oye NDC ni na wabedi Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu atem ayenya semketo akra wabedi natem emuodu na woman ni enti a odi Marie atem nyina ene se okyerese Madam Marie Amwakwabuedu abeka se NDC fono anye careful a obedi omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama atem na eno ena enam so a woman abedi Marie atem anya semketo akra na woman ede atem didi no eba out no ena Ghana fo bi ekyerese NDC for se sa na mote monde mu wo ho kwan se mudi obi atem wo ho kwan se mudi obi ni atem obi ni papa atem kyese atem didi a mudi de nya semketo akra na obi ebeka se obedi omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama atemede oseden onti ase ena oseden ene Ghana fo bi so ede amane pa na ebusuafo yentie ensema mami ede etudwane yentie comment Ghana fo bi so ede
aha mechia obia Ghana o abrochiri ha bebi a mechia obia me daya me sorry a mesi o ma mehwe ne ekoso mechi nyina me bebi a ya mehwe se wiase de na ekoso a na obi afra me Elizabeth mintie Maria Bodi say KT oye ni dwuma kese a obi obuebue nipa ni wo Ghana KT a omo obi ehun se wiase eye kama wiase ye yese ya na ebe yese sika bi yira ni oboaboa ye ho oboa ye nyina na wo Maria Bodu wo si KT didi Kennedy Japan atema wo be didi JDM atem aba kraman ba wan dare wo yi e wona si wo NDC mu no mi ka kire mo se wo boa se wo ye N.Addo pa ni relative pa you will never go to join any other party o se wo ye ni cousin ni niece ni grandie na me see you but I won obi a me kura se metima ka se N.Addo ye me uncle and obi abeji mi edi because me see N.Addo ye me uncle obi abeji mi edi na se wo ti wona wo se wo ye N.Addo ni wo ye dia be oforiata wo ye dia be dia kese ni na wo fa di bon abu ebe KT o wie ye o KT afa no be start woni when beef no mo nya start ye it say wonnim na wo jimi me no na ti London ho me ne wo Mariam me ne wo na ti London ha wo de bie wanu na didi JDM atem na hwade wo de bie wanu wo ne nam ho no a wo hanti small boys ni nyina ye nim wo bisa wo musika ni nuama wo pe dia ban KT no wa bie ni plane o pese TV ni nkoso na obi anhwe so wo Ghana obi anhwe bi obi anim bie obi awu mistakes ya ye try so see KT edidi Kennedy Japan atema obede ma bie space ma bie football park ne me ne wo obi ankote na baby na mo hwe me ne wo me is 64 years old na me kire wo say the old rules they know the corners we know all the corners one bow jam ukuru na oda wachi no JDM ukuru no a oda wachi no JDM one no na apro na egu enum no ukasakra wunji you don't know what you are saying dick JDM atem me no to London na ye be who is who we did na atem na hwe se party ni ebehie o se yiase ni ebehie o se engagement ase ni ebehie o media me na obeye me say would you try it se wo se wonye wotia me nan so no wo ka sorry ni kura me na obeko wotia me nan so wo sorry 100 times me na obeko you are used to reporting people to the police the police they all know you now kwashini wan bobra ukuru na wo da hwe ukunu anim fine na hwe JDM anim na hwe age between JDM na ukunu dandu wa shegi anka wo twaba no ene na me twa me won say ye not no ye twa ye de nti ye tena wo so aboa ne ye bu yie wa bodam a sick puppy who ye kraman ba wo re go di JDM atem ne hwade say wo se wo bu ade eti didi Canada Japan te mema mienu a omko omu ntokwa why ya wotwa ya kruturka obi ampe na small boys kura bedi a omu dwane no a woda so bisa omuska da nduru wo de bra wo de me say bring it up. I'm waiting. Me ni una wo UK ya ye betcha UK mu into two. We are going to divide the United Kingdom into two. What about them all? Men might come leave them to solve their own problems. They just say, where did we at the moment? Now, obviously,
Ebusianfo and some way and a woman a day out to dra any attempt the muya she papa na yente comment agana fugin so a day a by way say Jimmy for where were you when NDC bribed Kelvin Taylor, Marie and some other people to insult N.Addo? They wanted to disgrace him because they know Ghanaians love him. Now you see how it hurts. And I went so Josephine and I'll just say, hey, Marie is in hot water. Shut up, Marie. You came to NDC to snatch your way through. But you were stopped because you are not genuine with your dealings. Thank God you were changed out of NDC. In some way, and I Ghana for a day. Abana se reply we and omode ma woman na odidi marry amakwabodu atem.
And I'm going to tell America. And grace where you gonna go na. We kwejina Western region. Aka say where you gonna go na. Is it true that Ghana go na yi? And our yi and MPP back on yasu in a space of 6 years. Is what I will call na Ghana for momua. Abusia e ba ya pom diri won sam wo krom ha. Ababianwa wa mama de say MPP aban. Say ye hwe amanfo healthcare delivery. Some amanfo benya pomodiri papa ababianu ho. Abusia ye ti krom ya from Greater Accra and to Northern region. Now your ambulance as a country now enu 54 the whole Ghana. By that time 10 regions the whole Ghana. Now ambulance are useful enu 54. Now N.Addo buy abisafo ambulance 307 ambulance is kwa government se dia Nani ho hospitals are abanye sisie abisafo ya kwanya ya resource ya nurses ni ya doctors Ghana ha even agenda 111 at this current administration ACCA can you imagine question baby edudro ya go wura August September ya be sha se ni a commission bi agenda 111 project going around the country under this fourth republic you will some monumental project you be da se wo humi a ye bie lines na mon kan cham se bupura utwantro na me kam se edwuma ma bio me ba ya ko wo bia wani mi bia nsame asam se de se maka ana me nso bia I don't fear nobody any dia buo ne ade mari pa nyagopon ko